Suits come in a myriad of colors, but 90% of those colors you tend to see over and over again. We're talking navy blue or charcoal gray, even black, and then maybe some tan sprinkled in there. But I got a request from a gray fox out there to do a video that addresses how to style a green suit. Now, I don't own a green suit. I've always thought that it would clash with my skin tone or something, or maybe my hair color. But I wanted to do this subject some justice by putting in the effort. So I dug in, and I went deep. And I started to question my own motivations. I don't know, I think perhaps my ex-wife or somebody in my past told me as a young man that if I wore green, I would end up looking like a Christmas tree or an overgrown leprechaun or something. But now that I'm older and maybe wiser, the more I learn about color theory and skin tones, and I begin to understand the science behind it all. Because remember, we're talking about frequencies here. Color is a quantifiable frequency. This is mathematics. This is just as much science as it is art.
It's science.
Science!
Look, let me share some of the things that I've learned. So welcome, guys. This is the Gray Fox Mandem. This is the GFM, and I'm Carl. And today, you and I are going to be talking about the art and science of styling a green suit. It's a much more versatile color choice than you or I may have originally believed. One that exudes elegance and, yes, individuality. So whether you're gearing up for a date night or a business meeting or even a formal event, so mastering the nuances of styling your green suit can elevate your look to the next level. Let's dive into this. So first up, let's talk about upscale casual. Perfect for those romantic date nights or chic social gatherings. Pair your green suit with a crisp white dress shirt and mix in maybe some navy blue accents. This creates an analogous color scheme that gives off a very cohesive vibe. The white dress shirt is a blank canvas, and a navy blue pocket square would provide just enough contrast. You can double down on this look by swapping out the white dress shirt for a navy blue one. You know, I may like that look a little better. You can dial up the formality just a bit with a textured navy tie for a sophisticated yet relaxed vibe. So the texture on the tie makes it more relaxed. Complete the look with brown leather loafers or suede Chelsea boots. Now, next for the business casual setting, opt for a light blue or lavender dress shirt that contrast the green tones of your suit. This also is considered an analogous color scheme, but pushing the boundaries just a bit. Consider adding a patterned pocket square for a little personality. Keep the accessories understated, we're talking business casual here, with a classic leather belt and polished Oxford shoes. This ensemble strikes the perfect balance between professionalism and casual style. For more formal business attire, stick to traditional pairings with perhaps a more modern twist. A crisp white dress shirt and a charcoal gray tie create a timeless combination that lets the green suit take center stage. You can opt for black leather dress shoes and a matching belt to add perhaps a touch of sophistication. For business attire, I would recommend a darker green color, and therefore black Oxfords would look best. With these off-tone suit colors, unlike, say, gray, the lighter the shade, the more casual. With a lighter green tint, brown shoes and accessories look amazing. With a darker shade of green, I would recommend black, which is much more formal. You may even be able to get away with oxblood. Of course, confidence is key when rocking a formal business look. Now let's talk about the importance of considering your skin tone when styling a green suit. For those with fair skin, unlike what I learned as a young man, lighter shades of green such as mint or a lighter sage can complement your complexion beautifully. If you have a medium skin tone, olive or forest green suits are excellent choices that provide a flattering contrast. And for darker skin tones, like a deep emerald or a hunter green, something really rich, those suits can really make a bold statement without overpowering your natural features. But I found that the darker your complexion, the easier it is to make these bolder colors really work. Now remember guys, understanding how to harmonize your suit with your skin tone is essential for achieving a cohesive and a polished look. You can experiment with different shades of green to find the one that suits you best. Now there are several online AI tools that can help you nail this down before you spend that money. There you have it guys, your ultimate guide to styling a green suit, especially for us gray foxes or men over 40. Whether you're dressing for a date or a business meeting or just a special gathering, you can use these examples to exude timeless sophistication and confidence. Thanks so much guys for watching. Please leave a like downstairs on your way out the door. You can click here for my video to get some ideas about picking up your airport fashion game, or you can even click down here for some ideas regarding how men in our age group can layer hoodies. Take care, Jets. Peace.